Can you hear me? So I got this package. I came home tonight from wherever I was, secret, and I almost forgot the fact that I backed this project on Kickstarter. So I got this package and pleasantly surprised, Sierra Madre. This is a company that's been around for a while now, doing some great work in South America. And some of you probably know them from their, they have this really cool tarp that I reviewed a couple years ago. And they've been expanding and getting new cool hammocks. Anyway, this is the, I think it's called the Ninox Hammock. And yeah, I almost forgot about the fact that I ordered it. So, presuming that this is the hammock, double-sided stuffed hack, pretty cool fabric. I haven't opened this yet. I'm gonna hook it up and sleep in it tonight and see how it goes. It looks like it also came with, I'm guessing these are straps. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Looks like daisy chain. It's been so long, I honestly forgot this whole project and the specs and everything. So this is going to be kind of a fun thing to explore and understand. Okay, interesting. It's like another take on a tri-glide with a carabiner. Not sure what this is. So it looks like we've got a lot to discover and have fun with. So we'll see. Interesting. So this does not daisy chain. I'm trying to think. It almost feels like that Spectra, but it's a little, maybe it is Spectra. Anyway, I got a lot to find out. So pretty cool straps and indigo. Man, you know, you get really excited about getting a hammock and you just pull the trigger. Now I'm excited. I gotta try a new hammock. QR codes everywhere, so I guess that means if you need help, you can scan this and find it. How to set up your Ninox hammock. Okay, look at that. Some interesting bungee cords and quick clips. So we'll figure that one out. What else is in here? Ooh, interesting. Look at this. It's like a secret hole there. Little rubber. Something's coming out of that. What's on the other side? Man, it's so fun. So I know that one thing that Ninox claims is the fact that it says it right here. Flat lay hammock. Now, that probably comes as no surprise to those of us who sleep in hammocks regularly. Oh, I have to tell you this story, and it relates. Don't worry, I'm not going to go off. I was down in Phoenix, Arizona. I had kind of tweaked my neck, my shoulders. Went to a chiropractor. I haven't been to a chiropractor in a long time because I sleep in a hammock. Anyway, I went to the chiropractor and I hesitated even telling him that I sleep in a hammock because he had the exact reaction that I expected to get. He's like, "You sleep in a hammock? No wonder you've got back problems." I'm like, no, this is not related to the hammock. I've slept in a hammock for years because I sleep flat. And I had this kind of like, religious experience proselyting about hammocks to the chiropractor, explaining how you sleep in the hammock, how it's flat, how it takes all your pain points away and it's actually good for you. And he looked at me like whatever. But the point is, if you do hammocks the right way, and you have to have a good hammock too, you sleep flat. So I think I was intrigued, if I remember correctly, Ninox or Sierra Madre, they were and Richard's a great guy, by the way, the owner, Richard Rett. But he's so energetic, by the way. He's so fun to watch. But claiming that the Ninox, there's something different, unique, the way that they put this together that makes it maybe easier to get flatter. So that's what we're going to check out. Is it flatter? So we'll see. So this side, just a regular stuff. Ooh, pretty color. I'd forgotten what I had ordered, but this is kind of a brand color for me. I like purple, kind of a purple guy. It is really stuffed in there. So stuff sack detached. We'll put it back in. I mean, I love double-sided stuff sacks. Ooh, wow. Ooh, fun contrasting colors. Oh, I don't even know how this is packed. I can guarantee you this is not going to go back in the way it came out. We'll use the double-sided stuff sack. So, some webbing used as loops. And, ooh, I like this because, see how it's wrapped, but it's not cinched completely. It allows some flexibility in that strap. And I've done a video on this before on how a lot of hammocks, when they put that string in the end and cinch up the end, it curves that hammock all the way around, tightens up the edges, and it actually makes it a little harder to sleep diagonally. I'm talking to you. There's others that do that, but this style prevents that a little bit. It keeps the edges because they can slide a little bit. Now, I'm making an assumption a little bit. We'll test it and see, but just based on that design, I'm guessing it's going to be pretty good. Another QR code, attaching the Inferno or Puffle. What does that mean? Those are not your typical hammock accessory names. So there's just some, I don't know, this is called the Talon suspension. So it doesn't attach here, right? Because this is not Talon. What is this called? Everything's got a name. Pull down, max 450 pounds. Could this be the Inferno or Puffle? Interesting, don't know. Some fun contrasting colors. Green, purple, kind of indigo blue. Got the Ninox insect shield. It's a nice light, like a no-seam bug netting. Looks like it has quilt hooks on the edges. Be a fun thing to discover. The fabric feels nice. Hard to tell. Is it ripstop? Does it matter? I didn't have the strongest review for that because Sierra Madre has some generic hammocks, or I should say, not generic. They're very nice hammocks. They're just, what I mean is they're open hammocks. If you've read my book, I have these different categories that I call for hammocks. Open hammocks don't have bug nets, but the fabric, it's good fabric, but it stretched a little bit differently than I was expecting. So it wasn't my top favorite, but it's good hammock. I guess we'll see if this is similar to that fabric and how it stretches. What else is jumping out? Insect shield, QR codes. So here's interesting. Little loops that are really close to the end there. So there's probably some accessories that I don't have that goes with this. Ooh, some interesting design. This is going to be fun to check out. So anyway, I know I've promised a lot of reviews, and what can I say? I'm a dad. I got 5 kids. You probably didn't know that. And I've prioritized things over hammocks. Does that surprise people? Maybe. Anyway, tonight, prioritizing hammocks over kids. We're going to see how that goes. So thanks so much. This is the Ultimate Hang, and we'll see you after I've tested this out. See ya.